It's the best. She visited me in the hospital and is helping me get better so I can titrate down my meds.
Was that her idea or her dad's? Wait, have you met Mr. Evernever?
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word titrate. It means to ascertain the quantity of a given constituent by adding a liquid reagent of known strength and measuring the volume necessary to convert the constituent to another form. Also means tr. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce titrate, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the third syllable, corresponding to titrate. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how titrate is used in real life.
I can titrate down my meds.
Was that her idea or her dad's?
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.